Alright guys, what's up? I am doing a face mask video for you guys today, and these are the items I will be using. So we have an avocado. I got it this dark so it's nice and soft, easy to mush, easy to add to the oatmeal. That's why it's really dark in color and not the normal green. Next we have some oatmeal, just Quaker oatmeal. I do have a banana flavored banana nut. It's the protein oatmeal. That's the one that I decided to use, and it was the only oatmeal in the house. The other key ingredient is Mr. Honey Bear. It is raw unfiltered honey. Initially I was using my raw honey that I used in the past, but I believe that was expired, so I just tossed it in the trash. This should work just as fine though. So next I just have this clean Rally's cup that I decided to cut in half to use as a mixing bowl, just so I can make a very small amount and also so I can trash it. Throughout the video, the steps are pretty simple, pretty easy to see, kind of speak for themselves, and I will also have it detailed in the description box below if you need actual step-by-step guidance. If the video was not enough, just go ahead and check the description box and everything is there for you guys. And please guys, ensure that you are not allergic to any of these items before you go and make the mask. So one thing you really want to do is to make sure that you are massaging it in. You want to rub around your face. Give yourself a good 1 to 2 minute just rubbing your face, rubbing the mask in your face. It allows the avocado to spread more and also the oatmeal, and it just gives you it adds more softness to your skin in the long run. So at the end, you'll be very happy that you massaged your face. Alright guys, please try this mask out and let me know how you like it. Please make sure you are not allergic to any of the items first, and send me some snaps, tweet me some pictures. Thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.